Alright, good day to you wherever you are watching this video. In this video, I want to quickly share with you how you can remove watermark from a video. Alright, I'm going to share two websites with you. The first one is anneeraser.com. Alright, anneerasermedia.io. You can just open it and download their desktop app. That's for a window. But the thing about this Anneeraser is that you can only use it, the trial version can only be once. So immediately I used it the first time and I discovered that, oh, this has a lot of limitations until you pay for their pricing. So I make more research and I find out another platform, onlinevideoquotas.com. You can check the link to this video under this video. So after you have opened online video quota, I will open my videos to see the specific video I want to work on. All right, so let me go to my downloads. So I will open this video. This is a video I want to work on. I want to remove this DID logo and all this. Okay, so I want to remove this DID logo and v.io logo from this video. So all I need to do is just go to my online video quota, check the link under this video, then click on open file, click on download. Wherever you save your own file to, just open it up, and immediately you have this. So create a selection around the area you want to remove, and create another selection around the area you want to remove, and scroll down and say click on save. So immediately you click on save, the system will generate it. It will upload the file. You have to wait for a while until the upload is completed. So once the upload is completed, it's going to take a couple of minutes depending on how big the picture or how big the video is. So you have to wait for a while. So immediately you have it ready now that you can just save it. Just click on save, and immediately it will be downloaded here. Immediately you save it, it will be downloaded here, and you can see the progress. Once it's done, I'll open the video and you can see that the watermark has been completely removed. Alright, so let me open the watermark. So you can see that the watermark we have here and the one we have here is completely removed. Alright, that's how to remove. I will send you can see the URL to the video under this, the URL to the website. You can see the URL to the website under this video. Alright.